Welcome to Film Love. Today I'm doing a review of the newly released Masters of the Universe. One of the bigger question mark movies of the summer, it actually isn't nearly as rough as many were anticipating going in or when the project was first announced. It benefits from a cast that is universally up for its winking tone and bursts of silliness, as well as the presence of director Travis Knight, who helmed the similarly retro-infused Bumblebee back in 2018 to solid success. With a vibrant color scheme and consistent acknowledgments of how goofy this whole particular IP can be, it's a movie that welcomes newcomers but by the same token is a treat for fans, given its shout-outs to the established lore and a cavalcade of fan-favorite characters.
There's too many of them. A big army only means one thing. More targets.
Is it often a little too silly for its own good, to the point that goofiness prevents it from being a truly great movie? Yes and no. But as far as being a summertime popcorn scarfing piece of entertainment goes, it works rather consistently. That was assuredly its primary goal, and it pulls it off. Nicholas Galitzine proves himself to be a compelling leading man, and Idris Elba gives a well-modulated performance that embraces the light tone while also delivering some of the film's more serious moments. But the real standout here is the always divisive Jared Leto, who gives a legitimately ranged performance as Skeletor. He knocks the comedic beats out of the park, he makes the character intimidating. He's, like Idris Elba, clearly having a very good time, and it shows.
That's it? I finished?
Of course, my lord.
With something as outlandish as Masters of the Universe, with its scantily clad hero and a villain with a skull for a face, it was the right call for the movie to not take itself too seriously. This approach works out for the movie far more often than not, and that couldn't be said of the 1987 version, which was a little too serious for its own good, even though it was incredibly silly. And while the result likely won't be the biggest hit or the most beloved movie of the summer, that's most likely going to end up being Obsession on both counts. It's a fine way to spend a Saturday afternoon, and as long as you feel like checking your brain at the door. All in all, I'd give it a solid 3 stars out of 5. And if you go see it, I hope you enjoy it. For now, thank you for tuning in to Film Love. See you next time.